Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the monthly time frame, I mean, yes, very strong move down, but unlike other pairs, this still hasn't broken structure to the downside. So for me, the trend is definitely still up on the monthly time frame at least. Going down to the weekly time frame. To me, on the weekly time frame, it still looks like it might go up again because this looks like a 1-2, and then this looks like a 1-2-3-4-5 of 3. Kind of seems to me like this could be a wave forward. It possibly could go back up again for a wave 5. So keep that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this looks like a 1, this looks like a 2, and then it looks like 5 waves of 3. If that's true, that means that this is likely an A of 4, that it probably will go up and make a B, and then down for a C. And this will likely be an ABC of 4, and then eventually back up for the wave 5. I think it makes a lot of sense, especially with the election less than a month away. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is where you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs that make up this down move, which I think is likely a wave A, but it could possibly be a wave 1. For me, the last structure level is still right here. That's still the last place that this thing made a new swing low, so that's still the area that will show us that this whole move from here to here is over when it breaks structure. Until it actually does break structure, I'm definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, the way this is acting on the 1 hour time frame definitely does make me think that it probably will break structure within the next couple of days. But I would be very, very cautious because if you were trying to, go long at any of these points thinking that it was going to break structure, you probably would have experienced some losing trades. But instead, if you were trading with the trend and you went short there, short, 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 and short, you definitely probably would have made some pretty nice profits. So until this actually does go up and break this box right here and break and hold above it, I definitely would still be looking for shorts. If it does go up, if it does break structure, that will tell me that either the wave A or the wave 1 on the higher time frames is complete. The trend is your friend. I would still be very, very cautious about going long. It definitely looks like the wave A or wave 1 is very close to being over, but you never really know until the market tells you, and the market isn't going to tell you the trend is over until it goes up and breaks the correct structure level. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.